In 1919, Boston faced a surreal disaster when a giant molasses tank burst, flooding streets with a sticky wall. The Sweet River claimed lives, tangled legs, and toppled storefronts, while the city grappled with a puzzling, clinging tragedy. Newsboys shouted warnings as rescue crews lapped through brown waves, measuring mud and courage in a strange syrupy dawn. Scientists later explained the humidity and temperature created a thick bolus that slowed movement and dazzled an anxious city. The disaster reshaped safety codes and inspired curious murals, reminding future generations that even sweetness can turn perilous.